Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is to stop hating yourself. It's many people out there, in fact most of the population, they think that they are not eligible for anything. They feel that they are not able to do anything in life, hence they start to hate themselves and they start to admire others and feel that they have such a beautiful life. They are so much happy in their life, they have got so much good things in life. So this kind of thinking these people have. So of course we need to change this thinking because everyone is gifted with something by God. Now it's time to understand your quality, your potentials, on what things you can do best, on how can you make your best quality to show the world or make some career. Well, it depends on your own self, that how you want to project yourself to the world and you want to showcase yourself. You have to think for yourself rather than thinking others' quality. If you love some quality in others, try to bring it in yourself. If you love some personality of some other of your some friends or peers or family members, try to bring it in yourself, try to create that in yourself. That would develop your personality, that would be the starting for your personal development. You can be your own guide, you can take decisions, you can do anything, any sort of things you can be capable of. Because I myself is such a person who was never able to take a decision. I used to depend on my parents, my in-laws or my husband. But later on when I find that people are controlling my life and this is not in favor of me, because I could not resist that thing. So I started developing myself. How did I do that? If you subscribe my channel, if you follow all my videos, you will understand the process that I talk over here are on my life experiences that I've learned from and I'm sharing with you. So here it is. So you have to think for yourself as I did. You have to think that what are your qualities. You have to write down, you have to make a list of your qualities, your abilities, on what things you are not capable. So you have to first of all make a list, and then you have to see that what are the potentials you have, what are the positive things you have in yourself. Then you have to detect what things you are not very good at or you want to be good at, how you can do that. You have to think and you have to see similar kind of people, how they are doing those similar things, how they are approaching to things and how they are managing their life. So after that comes how can you make your own decisions. Now this also I have a video down there if you find. So decision making power, you have to build your own so that you can take your own decisions. It's not that you cannot do it, it's not that you have to rely on others. So once you have developed this kind of qualities that you can take your decisions, you can make a personality. So this way, if you go on approaching, if you keep on growing this way, you will start to develop some unique ideas that would come from your own mind, which I don't have to guide you, that would come from your own mind, and you will start to understand that this is the unique you that you were born with, which the qualities that have been hidden inside you would come out slowly, and you will be a wonderful person, someone unique, someone the world is waiting for, and someone everyone would love to talk to or be friend of. So this is how can you grow yourself. So it's not that you cannot do anything of yourself, it's that you are not giving attention to yourself, and thus you are feeling that you are not eligible to do anything and you are hating yourself because the it could be your surroundings who are making you weak, who are making you feel that you cannot do anything or you cannot achieve anything in life. It's some people are there, of course I have a video about that. Some negative people around us we have, it would be there, you cannot change. So you have to change your mindset, and I am making these videos to empower those people, especially who are not able to grow in life or trying to grow emotionally, mentally, first of all, because once you think to achieve some career, first of all you have to develop your confidence, you have to develop your mental stability, your emotional balance. So all this you have to control, you have to take decision of your own. If you don't do these things, then you have to rely on others, and most of the time other people are not interested in making others good or seeing others good or letting others do something better in life which they could not do by themselves. So they don't want these things, they don't prefer these things to happen to others. So hence these people of course would try to pull the person they feel are much intelligent, they would try to pull down the person, they would try to criticize the person, and this brings some mental instability, this brings a low confidence, low self esteem. So of course please friends, I would request you all to watch my videos to understand, to empower yourself. You are the one who can create your own self. So next, you have lots of abilities, so you have to find that what things attract you or what things you can do in life, what are your passion. You have to give time to yourself to think such all of these things, otherwise you won't be able to understand what you want from life or what you can do in life, what you are eligible for, what God has gifted you with. So of course all of this you have to nurture, and you have to understand, you have to bring out yourself what you love. So once you start this process of thinking for yourself and going through the process of making your building your confidence, building your emotional abilities, creating your empowerment, decision making power, finding your passion, then thinking for yourself that how you can walk alone in this world, to develop that courage, confidence inside yourself. Once you have started taking responsibility for your own emotions, of course you will understand that you are a powerful person, you are a powerful human being, and you can do things that you have imagined in your life. So next comes when it's time to take action on some career or something. If you are a painter or you want to paint, if you are not a painter you want to start, or if you're a dancer or you are a musician, or you love music, you can start by anything. Your little approach would help you in the future as a bigger one. If you don't have any way to move on, try to take baby steps, as I say. If you're a singer, try to listen to songs which you love, try to sing them in your own voice, and then you try on. So you have to try on till the time comes that is favorable for you. You have to see for little competitions if you're enough grown in with your singing, so then you can try on to hire a tutor. So yes, this way you can approach, and the next path, next level for this career, you will have to decide of your own, and of course you will do, because that at that time, till then you will have build your confidence if you follow these steps properly. So next comes is how to deal with the situations that makes us feel impossible. It happens, it also happens with me. There are situations that comes and we are not able to think that what we can do or what we should do, how can we approach, we don't find any way. So at that time the best thing is to do that whatever you are able to do right now, whatever is in your hand, try to nurture those, try to go and on with that, try to be happy, try to spend the time with that your passion, try to go on with it. So this way what happens, the time goes on very fluently and very happily, because the future you can try only the, otherwise the future is in universe hands, and only you are the creator. You have to give the universe signs that you want this. So unless you try it, the universe cannot fulfill your dreams. So these are the steps that you can approach, and please friends, do try these steps, because I am saying this a lot many times, because I want you all to grow in life. Don't hate yourself. This is the hatred that we create for ourselves.